Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech...
If you want to check it out yourself, the product link is placed at the description. Today, we're taking a close look at a telescope built for anyone who wants to start exploring the night sky with real clarity. This is the Hawkko 90mm aperture, 900mm focal length refractor telescope. It's designed for adults, beginners, and backyard astronomy lovers who want high-powered, crisp, stable views of the moon, planets, and distant landscapes. Right out of the box, this telescope impresses with its long 900mm optical tube. That long focal length gives you powerful magnification, letting you zoom all the way from 36x up to a massive 270x when you combine the eyepieces with the included 3x Barlow lens. That means you can see lunar craters in crisp detail, observe Jupiter's bands, Saturn's rings, or even look at distant terrestrial objects with surprising clarity. The 90mm aperture makes a huge difference. A larger aperture lets in more light, and that means brighter, sharper, and clearer images. This telescope uses a fully multi-coated optical system, boosting light transmission by about 73% compared to standard coating. So whether you're looking at star clusters, planets, or the surface of the moon, the view stays clean and bright. One of the best features for beginners is how stable and smooth the mount feels. This telescope uses a stainless steel altazimuth mount with full 360-degree rotation and adjustable height. You can line up your target, follow it across the sky, and make smooth tracking adjustments, which is extremely important when observing objects that slowly drift as the Earth rotates. The tripod adjusts easily from 28 to 46 inches, giving you a comfortable viewing height whether you're sitting or standing. Even if this is your first time using a telescope, setup stays simple. You can assemble the full system in about 15 minutes. Once built, the straight-through finderscope makes it easier to locate your target before switching to the main eyepieces for high-detail viewing. That smooth workflow helps beginners get better results right away. If capturing what you see is important to you, the included smartphone adapter makes that easy. Over 80% of users can capture photos or videos successfully on their first attempt. It's ideal for sharing lunar photos, planetary shots, or scenic long-distance views directly from your phone. You also get a complete kit with all the essential accessories: a zenith mirror for comfortable viewing angles, 25mm and 10mm Kellner eyepieces, a 3x Barlow lens for deeper magnification, an accessory tray, the stainless steel AZ tripod, a phone adapter, and a padded carry bag. Everything packs neatly for travel, backyard setups, or camping trips. The Hawkko 90mm telescope gives you a long focal length, a generous aperture, enhanced clarity from multi-coated optics, smooth tracking, and a beginner-friendly design. Whether you're starting astronomy as a hobby, exploring the moon with family, or observing planets for the first time, this telescope delivers a powerful and enjoyable experience. If you want to check it out yourself, the product link is placed at the description.